One of the three very important products on Mannatech's TruHealth system is the TruPure Herbal Detoxifying and Cleansing Support Supplement. You might wonder why an herbal detoxifying and cleansing support product would be included in a fat loss system. It's unfortunate but true that in the modern world there are ever-increasing levels of pollution. Scientists have documented chemicals at the North and South Poles, thousands of miles from the nearest cities or farm. They've been documenting toxins in waterways all over the world, and of course, there are often things in the food we eat that are, well, less than healthy. Each day, the average person is accumulating small amounts of these chemicals, and many of them are fat-soluble. Being aware of this, scientists at Mannatech decided to create a cellular cleanse product to be taken with the TruHealth system, which includes, of course, drinking plenty of water to assist the body in cleansing itself during this process. That product is called TruPure. TruPure is a very complex herbal detoxifying cleanse support supplement that is designed to help to be a true cellular cleanse for systems and organs. TruPure is a convenient, pleasant tasting and easy to use product that can be used to help you improve your body composition and can be used to support a total body cleanse at any time during the year while following the TruHealth recommendations on diet and water intake. As is the case with all the products in Mannatech's TruHealth system, TruPure contains no soy, no dairy, no gluten, no genetically modified DNA, and it's vegetarian friendly. Each effective serving comes in an individual slim stick that can be used with water and used on a daily basis. Instructions for the deeper cleansing would include the use of one or more sticks daily at intervals. That's an important part, intervals. A guide can be found in the Mannatech TruHealth System support materials. Most people will do very well using only one slim stick daily. We want your body to be truly healthy, and we feel that the TruPure Herbal Detoxifying and Cleansing Support product is important to achieving that true health. Remember, true health begins with healthy body composition.